Hi Shivam, welcome to the session. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, then please type it in the chat window. Okay, great. How have you been? It's been long that we had our last class. Yes. Okay, do you have any doubts, any queries from the previous class? I believe we did email marketing and it was complete, right? Okay, great, great. Let's just wait for a couple of minutes for Vinu and then we shall start for today's session. Okay. What? Yes, yes, we are, Shivam. Yes, sure, definitely. Whenever you're ready and whenever you want to, whenever you start looking for a job, then please do inform us. And my team, even Srishti, look after the same. So she will definitely help you in that and let me know. I will ask her, and yes, okay. So whenever you start, once you complete your BBA, then do let us know. Okay, yeah. I don't know when Vinu hasn't joined yet. So today we'll be starting with affiliate marketing, right? Okay. Okay, okay, WordPress. Right, right, right. Email marketing we did before that, is it? Okay, 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 great. So let's just start now because I'm really quite not sure by when he'll be able to join. Okay, I have started sharing my screen. Okay, there you go. Can you see my screen, Shivam? Okay. So today I'm going to tell you how you can do affiliate marketing if you don't have a website, without a website, right? So you may promote with blogs, web. Okay, I'll come on this later, but first let's do the basics first. Okay, so, so I'll start with the basic first one. Tricks and tips for affiliate marketing. So these are just the facts. China, India, USA, how many internet users are there in China, India, USA, right? And as you already know what affiliate marketing is, it's a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for the traffic or sales generated from its referral. So whenever there are many companies, one is the direct affiliate program, which means you can become direct affiliate for Amazon, Snapdeal, AliExpress, eBay, Flipkart, all these with whom you can directly link, and they have a provision on their website where you can just simply go and register, right? And once you register as an affiliate, you can promote their products, and on every sale which is made either through your effort, right, if it is made through your effort, you will get commission for that. Okay, and which is called CPS, which is called CPS, that is commission per sale. CPS, commission per sale. Okay, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's product, right? Here you don't have your own product or services, you just promote the product of other companies, okay, of other people, and out of which, and on every sale, that also depends on CPA, which is cost per action or commission per action, which you are going to get. So that is defined by the companies, right? So there are companies who define on the installation of their app, right? You will get commission, or if you generate a lead for them, you will get the commission. On increasing the subscriptions and all, you will get commission. So there are some outline which on which you can get commission, right? Any doubt till here, Shivam? Okay. So affiliate program, also called as associate program, internet affiliate marketing, direct marketing, performance marketing, partner marketing, pay per performance marketing, or referral program. These are the other names of affiliate marketing. And history of affiliate marketing, one of the oldest forms of online marketing. It's the oldest form of online marketing, performance-based marketing. The first affiliate marketing program, which is started by William, just a second, conceived, implemented, and patented affiliate marketing as we know it. He set up the first affiliate program for his company, which is PC Flowers and Gifts, in 1989. Okay, so this is the history for the second first, which was started, which was started by Amazon, was the one of the first to use the affiliate marketing with the launch of its associates program in 1996. And this is the complete cycle, how it works. That affiliate puts ad on their website, right? This is the affiliate marketing. What affiliate is going to do, they will put the ad of the product or services, whatever you are promoting of your partner. You will put their ad on your website, and customer will come and click on that link, and once they click, and if they buy, the conversions are tracked, and affiliate will get a commission, or you will get a sale, okay, on every sale. That is how it works. Then these are the online shopping, like the first you will go online, you will do shopping. Let's say you purchase this, and the once the order is confirmed, you will get the commission. Then you have player visit your website, you refer them to online casino, and they pay for real, and you will get paid. No, Shivam. AdSense ads are different and affiliate are different. Here we are not talking about AdSense, because AdSense ads is that which you are not promoting, right? It's just that the advertiser, or they will get display, and there you will not get commission on every sale. No, there the commission will be on click. Okay, you will be get paid either on click or the 1,000 impressions, either ways, right? And here you have to actually promote the product in order to get a sale. So there is a difference. Is it clear? Okay. So if you become the Amazon affiliate, people will come, go to the Amazon website, and if they purchase, you will get commission. These are the different diagrams which are self-explanatory. You will get a link, affiliate link, and you get paid. These are the mistakes or myths about affiliate marketing. Trying to make money right away. There are people who just want to make money right away and they do some wrong things which they shouldn't be doing. So if you have no connections, it is very important that you have connections in affiliate marketing. That is the network, right? And you have no or very little traffic on your website. You only have a little bit of content. You don't have a bit a proper content on your website. You don't know know much about it, and nobody trusts or knows you, right? But still, by the time you have a good content, you have a good amount of traffic on your website, then definitely you can do a very good in affiliate marketing. So overselling to your audience, not understanding what you are promoting. So first of all, you have to understand what product you are promoting and who is the target audience of that product, right? So first try to understand the product properly, and then only target your audience. Not providing quality content. So it is also very important that you provide quality content on your website, so that people will come on your website, stay for long on your website, and if they see the affiliate link, product link, they can click on it. So that you have to first create a trust of your audience. Once you gain the trust of your audience, then definitely they will come to your website, they will buy the products also from your website. Okay, that is, trust is the very important part. And not selecting your affiliate partners with care. So you have to make sure that the affiliate partner you have selected, whether you have selected Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, or eBay or AliExpress, you have to select that very carefully, what they are offering you, right? Not gauging your competition, you have to also gauge at the competitor, who is your competitor, and how they, what techniques they are following, what strategies they are making. So it will help you in long run. Not measuring your campaign's performance. So you have to measure your campaign performance, how your campaign is performing, what ROI you are getting, which is return on investment. Not providing enough material. So make sure that you provide enough material, you talk enough about that product, so that people get convinced, yes, they should buy that product. It is very helpful, it is very useful. You can make videos of that product, you can you know, create some good image or banner ad of that product, you know, that will help people to buy instantly. Assuming people will just come to your site, don't assume people will just come to your site and buy that product. No, it will not happen that way. First, try to build the trust of your audience. Once the trust is built, then definitely you can go ahead and the commission, like the sale, will increase from your website. Thinking you are going to get rich quick, it will take time. Okay, it's not a one in one night only you will get rich. No, that's not the case there. Clear? Any doubt in any of these points? These are just good to follow points which I'm telling you. It will help you, because I know you are aware of what affiliate marketing is now. Right now you need to know the tricks which will be good for you. So in affiliate marketing, these are the partners, this is the ecosystems, and these three parties are involved here. One is the advertiser, then the publisher, and then the consumer. Advertiser, who is the advertiser? Shivam, you are the advertiser, because you have a website like Crunchy Talks, and there you show products, or there you do the promote the products on your website. So you being an advertiser. And who is the publisher? Publisher like Amazon, right? Flipkart, whose product you are promoting. And consumer, who is the end audience, end who the people who is going to buy the product, that is the consumer. So there are three parties majorly involved. Clear? These three parties are clear? Okay, great. So there are two sides of affiliate equation. So one is the product creator and the seller, and the affiliate marketer. Product creator, you know who is the creator. So Amazon has got many products on their websites, and they are from different brands, from different designers, right? All belong to different manufacturers. But Amazon is a common place where they have displayed the products. They have contacted all these creators, right? So for example, iPhone, if I talk about, Amazon has got iPhone, and Apple is the creator of that iPhone, right? So the product creator is the Apple, and seller, who is the seller? Creator can also be the seller, because Apple is also selling its product, right? And Amazon is also selling the product, right? So creator can also be a seller. And the affiliate marketer, people like you who are doing the affiliate marketing, who is doing the tie-up with the publishers and selling the products. Make sense? Okay, great. Then there is the merchant also. Now who will be the merchant? Sometimes also known as the creator. So as I told you, creator, that is also a merchant, the seller, the brand, the retailer, or the vendor. So if I take an example again, the same example, which is of Apple. Apple is the creator of the iPhone, right? The creator, it will be treated as the creator also, the seller, because they directly sells the iPhone also. They have their own showrooms, Apple showrooms, from where you can go and directly buy iPhone. The brand, it has got the brand name, which is Apple is the big brand, right? The retailer, because they has got the retail outlets, and the vendor also. Vendor in the sense, Amazon buys the product from uh, Apple. So for Amazon, Apple is the vendor. Okay. So this is the party that creates the product. It can be big company like Dyson, who produces vacuum cleaners. Merchant, who is the merchant, is clear. Merchant can be a creator, a seller, or a brand, or retailer, or the vendor. Anyone is the merchant. Makes sense? And or it can be a single individual, like a person who sells online courses to female entrepreneurs, right? So we being the individual, let's say if I'm selling the DRP course, digital marketing course, then I'm the merchant and I'm selling digital marketing course. Okay. So it can be a big company or it can be an individual also. From solo entrepreneurs to startups to massive Fortune 500 companies, anyone could be the merchant. Behind an affiliate marketing program, they don't even have to be actively involved. They just have to have a product to sell. Merchants, you see, will not be involved much. If you see Amazon, you are just linked with Amazon. Apple doesn't know whether you are selling their product or not. They are not bothered much. They are just concerned with the product sale, right? Does Apple know that you're selling their product? No. You are only linked with Amazon. So they don't even have to be actively involved. They just have to have a product to sell. Make sense? So the people who have a product to sell, those are the merchants. In short, all the services. Clear, Shivam? Clear? Okay, great. And who is the consumer now, which is very easy, the user who is going to buy the product. The customer or consumer, yes, makes the affiliate system go round. Without sales, there are not any commission to hand out and no revenue to be shared. So if customer will not be there, sales will not happen, and if sales not happen, commission will not be there and no revenue to be shared, right? So the affiliate will try to market to the consumer on whatever channel they see fit. So whatever channel they see, it will fit. Let's say whether it's a SEO, they can follow email marketing, they can follow social media marketing, they can follow SEO, they can follow, right? And even they can run the campaigns. So whatever channel they find, they can reach to the target audience, they should follow that. Whether that's a social network, digital billboards, or through a search engine using content marketing on a blog. Clear? And now the network. The network, only some consider the network part of the affiliate marketing equation. See, network, it's a complete network where you see people, this publisher is involved, advertiser is involved, and even you have got so much network to whom you can contact to sell your product. A network works as an intermediary between the affiliate and the merchant. The merchant has created the product, right? And now merchant will use his network, like they will contact Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart to display their product. And now Flipkart, and further they have the affiliates, right? And now further affiliates will also use their contacts. So it's a complete network which starts from the merchant and ends till affiliates. Make sense? Once the product ready by the merchant, then it will come to the market and from there it will start selling from Amazon, different websites, from their different retail outlets, right? And then even affiliate will start promoting. Affiliate is the last chain, and affiliate will have their own further network, which is, so this is a complete network. So ClickBank or Commission Junction are such networks. So ClickBank has their own network, Commission Junction has their own network. Are you registered on any of these, ClickBank or CJ? Okay, so they do have their own networks, they do have their publishers and advertisers. So you can select which product of which publisher you, yes, which product of which publisher you want to promote. Okay. So you have to register first on them and they will approve your application. They will see what ideas you have on digital marketing and what techniques or strategies you are going to follow and how your website is look like. So after analyzing all these things, they will give you the approval, and on approval you can select the publisher and you can promote their product. Okay. While you could technically promote an online course someone has created and just arrange a direct revenue share with them. And what else you can also do? So let's say if I have created a course on DMP website, you can directly come to me and ask me, I can promote your product and what commission you are willing to pay me. If I'll get you these many students to enroll in your course, what commission you are going to give me, right? So that is the other way you can directly talk to the concerned person and ask for the commission. Make sense? So these are the pillars of affiliate marketing, 5 pillars of affiliate marketing merchant. That is recruitment, activation, policing, and communication and optimization. So first you have to recruit people. Merchant has to recruit people. Activation, they have to active the affiliates, right? And then they have to do the approval, like they check what website they have policing, like what website they have, how they are going to promote all these parts, and then they will communicate and then they will optimize. Make sense? All these points clear? Great. And now these are the affiliate pillars of the affiliates. Affiliate, what affiliates can use: content, they can do SEO, they can write blogs, they can review, write good reviews, display, they run the display ads, email marketing, social network, social media networking or social media marketing, incentive based also, like you can ask people, like you will give them the incentives if they buy the product from here. You can run the shopping ads, you can do the PPC ads. Clear? These are the pillars which affiliate marketer can use to promote the products, right? Clear, Shivam? Any doubt? Okay, great. Then we have digital marketing, like so digital marketing, TV, SMS, radio, billboards, these are also part of digital marketing, but this is the traditional way now. Okay, digital. Now, and internet marketing is social media, content marketing, banner ads, email marketing, mobile marketing. Search ads, search marketing is the SEO and the PPC. So you can use anything from this to promote your product depending upon your budget. See, if you go for TV, radio, billboards, this will cost you much. SMS is still okay, it will not cost you that high. Internet marketing is the best way, which is social media, content, banner ads, email marketing, mobile marketing. And you have search marketing also, which is SEO and PPC. You can run PPC campaigns. Clear? Okay, great. So now the party is something sometimes also known as the publisher, the affiliate. Affiliate can also be at times the publisher if they have their own website, right? And they are publishing the products. And affiliates can also range from single individuals to entire companies. An affiliate marketing business can produce a few $100 in commission each month or 10 of millions of dollars. It's where the marketing happens. An affiliate promotes one or multiple affiliate products and tries to attract and convince potential customers of the value of the merchant's product so that they actually end up buying it. So what affiliate does is they promote one or multiple products and tries to attract and convince potential customers of the value of the merchant's product. So let's say now you have the iPhone, right? And you start promoting iPhone either ways. And once you promote and once you generate the sale, right? So once you generate the sale, you will get commission. So you have to attract the audience. Either you can create a video. Video is the best way to show the USP of the product, how it's going to help them, right? How it looks like, it's a thin line product, whatever. You can just showcase to the audience in order to convince them, right? The main motive is to convince your potential customers of the merchant product so that they actually end up buying, so that they buy the product. Make sense? It's quite easy. And now we do also have the two-tier program, two-tier program where multiple affiliates are involved. So let's say you are one affiliate and under that, under you got another affiliate. So there is one example is vCommission. Have you heard about vCommission.com? Shivam, have you heard about vCommission? Okay, this is also one website like ClickerBank or CJ, which is Commission Junction. vCommission also has got number of publishers on their website, even Amazon and Standard Chartered Bank, HDFC Bank, number of Airtel, many they have got the publishers, and you can register on vCommission and you can start promoting the product of any brand, right? So that will become two-tier because one is the vCommission, right? vCommission will also get the commission. Second is you. Like if you register, let's say if I register on vCommission and I uh, do the advertisement and from my link the sale will happen, then one commission will go to vCommission and then second commission will come to me, right? Make sense? So there are two layers, or there can be multiple layers also. So that is called two-tier commission program. So in a two-tier affiliate program or a multiple, the first tier of commission is the same as in a regular affiliate program. The only difference is the additional tier whereby marketers also earn a commission on sales generated by people they refer to the program. Clear? Makes sense? So vCommission is already promoting and vCommission also makes the affiliate. You become the affiliate. vCommission will also get commission and you also get commission on the sale. And if Shivam, you become the affiliate and you further makes the affiliate, right, then you will also get commission. And the other person will also get commission. Clear? Multiple affiliate, like networking. Exactly, networking. You got it right. So in Amway, in Avon, in Oriflame, what they do, they ask people to make the distributors, right? So if I become the distributor and I ask you also to become the distributor, so on every sale, right, first I'll ask you to buy some products. You have bought the product, I will get commission on that, which is direct commission. And now under me, make you as my distributor, right? And you further make the sale. So now it's a chain, which a chain will become. So if you further makes any sale, you will get commission and I will also get certain percentage of that commission, and under you now also you go ahead and you make distributors under you, then you will also get commission on every sale which is made by your chain. It's a chain networking. You getting me? So there are different type of affiliate sites. One is the content. Sites are usually not shopping sites, or consumers go to sites because the content is of particular interest. Sites to particular product contained inside. So there are some content based site which only provides content, right? So there, what they can do is they can also show products of affiliate. People are coming because they have got the traffic. It's not a shopping website. People are coming and they are reading for the content because they like the content of that website, and if they get to see any product which they want to buy, so they can directly go from there. So as I talk about the travel website, right, travel, so there are some travel blogs where people write the information about the holidaying locations or whatever, right? So people go there and read the content, and if you also show simultaneously the hiking shoes or the accessories which are required for hiking or for holidaying or anything, so from there you can give a link of those products on your website, and if any sale is made, then you will get the commission. Search website. Search sites affiliate promote merchant via search engine marketing using either natural or paid search practices. So you can use the search engine also. Blogs or forum sites post or feature article that focus on a particular product or merchant and include a product affiliate link or the to the product. So if you are writing forums or blogs, if you're writing on a particular product and give a link. So let's say you're writing a blog on any car, let's say Duster, for example, you write on Duster and you give a link also from where you can buy the Duster. Then if people go from that link, then definitely if a sale is made, you will get a commission. Clear? Then there are some shopping sites. Are virtual malls, the consumer shops for various brands like freekamal.com shopping site, where you have given the links of the affiliate products, and people will come and click and they will land on the publisher site, right? Coupon deal like Coupon Nation, Coupon Dunya, right? Most popular affiliate model. These sites are shopping sites that require merchant to provide consumer with either a coupon or percent of savings or free shipping offer, right? So in Coupon Nation, Coupon Dunya, what they do, they provide some coupons or some good offers to the audience. Then definitely they click and buy. Loyalty or reward sites, where a percent of the merchant's commission is used to pay reward to consumer, right? So the commission, you can use that amount to pay the reward, or some loyalty program you can run, like you can register with us for a year, you will get these many points which you can redeem later on, right? So all those like loyalty and rewards. Cash, airline meals, credit card points, or donation or charity or the organization. Here, which is example of affiliate sites. You promise. So here you can see some links, special offers like this. Price grabber. This is the other example of affiliate sites. Personal shopper, dealtaker.com. Right? These are the examples of affiliate sites. Affiliate commission model is pay per performance, which is revenue share. Merchant pays affiliate commission based on a percentage of the total order value. On total order value, you will get the percentage of the commission. which is all pre-mentioned in the list. If you go on Amazon, Flipkart, you get to see the commission which you are going to get on the sale of this product or that product. All are categorized there. Then you have cost per acquisition, which I talked about, which is either cost per action or cost per acquisition, pay per lead, which is merchant pays affiliate to for every lead or order referred from their site, right? So it can be on every lead. On lead generation also you can get the payment. Cost per impression, so merchant pays affiliate commission for every 1,000 impressions of their banner on affiliate sites. Okay, so you will get cost per impression, which is 1,000 impressions also. That depends like for which merchant you are promoting the product and what uh, offers they have got for you for their affiliates. Okay, so this is cost per click, merchant pays affiliate commission. So this is for product category and this is the fixed advertising rates for the product. And this is for Snapdeal commission structure, Flipkart commission structure, eBay commission model, right? And now these are the types of affiliate programs, which is cost per click, cost per acquisition, cost per impression, and cost per sale. So there are some publisher will say we will pay you on every click. If we get these many clicks, we are going to pay you. Cost per acquisition, which is lead generation, impressions, which are the views on 1,000 impressions, and commission for every sale, which is cost per sale, right? So this is the formula here, which is CPC, cost per click, CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions divided by clicks. That is, this is the cost, which these we have already talked about in Google AdWords. Clear? Cost per click, how you're going to calculate, you will be calculating on the impressions divided by clicks. So if you have got 6,000, this 60,000 impressions and you have got 600 clicks. So 600 divided by, 60,000 divided by 600, which is 100 cost. This is cost per click. Okay. Then cost per 1,000 impressions, cost per 1,000 impressions. Again, cost total impressions into 1,000. So let's say cost is here 100 and impressions are 60,000, right? Total impressions 100 divided by 60,000 into 1,000. You can calculate. Then CPA, which is cost per acquisition, means total cost divided by total number of leads. So let's say total cost is 1,000 and now total number of leads that you have generated 10. Okay, so this is how you can calculate. So this is again how to calculate clicks. Clicks are again impressions CTR divided by 100. Impressions, which is 5,000, CTR, which is click-through rate, which is 10%, and clicks. Any doubt in here? I think these are all self-explanatory. I can share this with you and we have already discussed also, right? Then you have PPC, pay-per-click. Affiliate gets paid whenever the affiliate links is get clicked. That is clear. Pay per impression on 1,000 impressions, then you will be paid. Sorry. Pay per impressions. I can get this type of links or ads means. Yeah, you can. There are number of available, like I told you about V Commission, CJ, then you have Shopper Sale, then you have ClickAbank. Yes, yes. Every there are different models which are available. Hi Vinu, welcome to the session. You joined a bit late. Right, then you have a PPL, which is paper lead. Vinu, if you can hear me, please type it in the chat window. Yes, okay. Vinu, we have started with affiliate. Okay, things might not get clear right now. You can please look into the recording later on. Okay, then you have paper lead, which is affiliate is paid when someone clicks on affiliate link or takes an action. Example, completing a form to generate a new lead or subscription, right? So then also you will be paid. Paper sale, on every sale you will get a commission. So these are the affiliate network, allows affiliates to find merchants which are suitable for their. So an affiliate network is a third party that acts as a license between affiliates and the merchant. So it's a basically a network. Affiliate network is actually a third party which allows them to connect. So allows affiliate to find merchants which are suitable for their site. So as I talked about V Commission, CJ, these are all affiliate network, other networks. So I'll just mention here, one is the V Commission, guys. Then other is the Commission Junction. You can take a note of this. Then other is the ClickAbank. Then other is the Shopper Sale. These are all affiliate network. Allows merchant to find affiliate sites that expand reach to their target audience. Even merchants can come and see the advertisers and they can approach to them. Right? Service include tracking technology, reporting tools, payment aggregation, and processing. So it mentioned everything like the technology we are going to use, how we are going to promote their products, the reporting tools, how we are going to inform them, the payment, how the payment will be made, and all. Provides a creative bank or repository for storing and accessing creative assets. How does it work? Affiliate updates merchant creative from affiliate network and loads to their sites. So what affiliate is going to do, they are going to look for the merchant from these websites, these sites, and they will start promoting their products on their site. And consumer visit affiliate site and clicks merchant banner. Cookie is set on consumer browser which identifies merchant and affiliate and link. So there are cookies which are saved on the consumer sites, consumer browser, okay, which identifies who is the merchant and who is the affiliate and which link they have followed. Now consumer is directed to merchant site and affiliate ID is captured by merchant in referring URL. So they, as I showed you last time also, that the ID will be generated in the Flipkart. Okay, so every affiliate will have the affiliate ID, right? And through that ID they can recognize, yes, through this ID it has come. So the consumer makes the purchase from merchant, cookie information sent to affiliate network. Merchant transmits sales file to affiliate network which includes the affiliate ID. And on the sale you will get the commission. So these are the top 10 affiliate marketer. Then eBay is the one, share a sale. Yes, the one other is the share a sale is also. I think it's not a shopper sale, it's a share a sale. Sorry, it's a share a sale. Then a oneclick.com, Amazon is one click, bank is one, revenue wire, link connector, affiliate by Conversant. So these are the top 10 best CPS affiliate networks in 2016. CPS means commission per sale affiliate network. Okay, guys. Clear, Shivam? We know might not get clear right now. Shivam, is it getting clear? And these are the top 10 Indian affiliate networks, which are Flipkart, Amazon, Tata Click, ShopClues, Jabong, BigRock, Make My Trip, Agoda, Nearby, and eBay. Multiple ways to promote affiliate links is one in your website. You can promote within your website. You can have your own blog where you can promote the link. You can mention on social media sites, which is Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Insta, Pinterest, YouTube. YouTube, you can create the videos of the product and promote. Email marketing. These are the best ways to promote the product link. Okay. This is the list of the larger affiliate advertising networks. So Amazon Associate is the one, which is the first one. And then ClickAbank, Commission Junction, CJ.com, eBay Partner Network. Then you have FlexOffers.com, Linkshare.com, ShareASale.com, and Wiglink.com. So these are the affiliate networks. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do the practical now. Mm. So it is neither harmful nor illegal, as you will simply be using the particular link provided to you rather than a direct link or to link to any site. So don't use the direct link, just use the link which is provided to you. Okay. These are the tracking sites for affiliates. And so you can check if you want to find the affiliate link for any product, check company websites, Google it, write the product name and B plus affiliate program and affiliate marketplace, right? You can look in the affiliate marketplace like ShareASale, CJ or ClickAbank. These are free to use. So you can search in these also. Even B commission is best. It's not mentioned here. So let me just show you first practical to you. Is this clear? Okay, let me just complete this and then I will go on to the practical. So how do I find new products to promote? And affiliate marketplace is a good place to start your affiliate marketing research. So as I told you, like ShareASale, TJ or VCommission, these are the ones where you can search. You can keep an eye on blogs in your niche and see which products they are promoting and what methods they are using. So keep an eye on the people who are writing the blogs and how they are writing the blogs and the product they are promoting, right? So you can walk on their path. How much money can one make from an affiliate marketing? There is no limit to the amount of money you can earn from affiliate program. It all depends on which program you're promoting and how many conversions you're making, right? So that is depend on you, how you are promoting, the techniques you are following. So there is no limit on the amount of money you can earn. And what is the commission rate? Typically, commission rates are based on the percentage of the total sale. Example, 10%. Mostly it is 10%, 8%, 10%, and there are some products which gives more, like 12, 14, up to 15%, I believe. And in some cases, it can also be a flat fee for a transaction. Your commission rate is set by the merchant. So basically, your commission rate will be set by the merchant, who is the creator or of the product. How companies track the record of who is sending the traffic and making the sales? The URL. So as I told you already, the above also is the URL is used to keep track of all the traffic and sales you are making. Promotional techniques, right? So I'll just show you the Flipkart account. Shivam, clear? We know something's got clear or nothing is clear. Minu, you're there? Minu, can you hear me? Minu is not responding. Don't know where it is. Anyways, not a problem. So this is Flipkart. I'm already a Flipkart member. Okay, and you can register, which is quite easy to register. Once you register, you will get the login, right? And here you can see the overview, like how many earnings you have made, the app you have got installed, and the traffic that you have generated from your efforts, right? And this is the commissions. So here you can see the commission on every product, like new customer order, existing customer order, which is on desktop and mobile app. So this is the complete list of the commission percentage, right? And these are the affiliate tools which you can use here. Product link banners you can generate. So let's say here I write Samsung mobile and I'll search for the category, which is, let's say, mobiles, and search. So here I can generate the link or the banner code. So if I click here and let's say I'll generate a link here, this link will be generated, or I can show the button list, buy from Flipkart, right? These are the button link I can get. Okay, so I can say okay, and then I will get a code for this. See this code, and I can copy and paste this code within my website. Make sense, Shivam? I think you already know all this, as you are already doing. These are the promotional banners. I can generate a code for any of these, right, and copy and paste within my website. So right, so as you know, let me just do share the how you can promote your website without website, how you can do affiliate marketing if you don't have your own website. So one is you can have a blogs, you can have web forums, you can create social groups, video, or you can do the ads. These are the ways through which you can create the type of the products. Okay. Then powerful ways to do affiliate marketing with social media: create an affiliate redirect link, deliver quality content first. Your content could be any like different form. Web forums, like you can create forum where you can invite people. So there are some websites where you can write forum, you can create a forum and where people will come and participate and they will also share their reviews on that forum. Okay. Yeah. And you can share a link on that forum, and when you are commenting then also you can share a link of on the forum. Okay, it's like a community. Make sense? Your content could be any different form like a blog post, a Facebook post, an email newsletter, a YouTube video, an infographic, or a GIF, which is an image. Okay. Then link images of the product you are promoting. Use social media to grow your email list. You can use social media, you can increase your email list, and you can start sending the emailers. Be smart about how you shorten your links. So you can even make your links shorten. As you see, as you know, there are long link which gets generated of every product, right? So you can shorten that link. Certain link shortening services do not allow you to use affiliate links. Like Bitly does not allow ClickBank, Hoplink, neither goes Google, and several other URL shortening services do not allow this either. However, the service tinyurl.com does. So you can directly go to tinyurl.com, right, and mention the URL, and they will shorten that URL, and you can specify the details of the URL how you want. Right, Shivam? Make sense? Then affiliate marketing with social media. These are the problems. So if you create FB ad plus affiliate link and you give them some offer, right? If you give them offer there, then it will be blocked. Then it will be blocked on Facebook. Then how you can do one first strategy is you can have a link, you can post a link there, right? And you can do the FB ad, you can boost the ad or the post, right, with the link. Again, your own URL blog website, you can write share the own URL or blog or of your website. You opt-in page and your affiliate link you can mention there, or again your own URL or your affiliate link will be provided there. This is the strategy which you can follow, right? So you can give the blog or your website URL where you want people to land, right? Or you can have your own link or URL which will direct them on the affiliate link and buy the product. Make sense? Shivam, is it clear? Then this is the example of ads on FB ads. You get to see the sponsored word written, right? They had, this is the other example, sponsored. Why you have to be careful about social media. Social networking accounts for 28% of all media time spent online, right? So as you know, 28% of the audience spends mostly time on social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Plus, Tumblr, Twitter, all here. So that's why it becomes very important for us to focus on social media uh, and gauge their interest and force them to buy the product from your link. Projected social media ad spend for 2016 was 31 billion, 16% of all digital ad spend. Okay. Commonly used paid ads in social platform. Paid ads, you can see Facebook ads 87% and Google ads 39%, and then followed by other. So you can see social media is topping. Industry wise, marketing, PR or advertising 28%, consumer goods. So you can see industry wise also. Preferred social platform B2B and B versus B2C. Clearly, Facebook dominates in the B2C space. 65% of the marketeers select it as their number one choice. However, for B2B marketeers, LinkedIn plays a much more important role, surpassing Facebook. So, as I already told you when we were discussing about face B2B and B2C. So, for B2B, the LinkedIn plays the vital role here, and for B2C, Facebook marketing. Commonly used content types: visual, which is video, is more powerful, leaves impact on your audience, force them to buy the product. So visual, which is either the image or the video. Blogging is 68%, again videos is 60%, live video 14%, podcasting. Live video right now it's 14%, but it is soon going to increase. Soon going to increase live videos. Facebook marketing for affiliate programs. So you can see here Facebook leads in India too, which is 199 million, and this is Twitter and this is LinkedIn. Profile, page, group, reach, engagement, these are all important terminologies which is used in Facebook. Profile, you're aware of what profile is. Every user has a profile. Page, you can create a business page, celebrity page, artist page, anything. Group, you can create groups on Facebook. Reach means the reach, how much your post has reached, the number of audience it has reached to, what engagement level you have got, whether anyone has commented, shared or liked your post. Impressions, the views that you have got, the number of clicks you have got, like, comment, share. Organically means it is unpaid, not paid. Paid means paid ad. Conversions, how many conversions you have got. Promoted content or ads, like in ads only. Clear, guys? Any doubt here in Facebook glossary? Shivam, is it getting clear or I'm going too fast? Okay, I know you are already well versed with all these terminologies, so that's the reason I'm going a bit fast. Facebook content marketing, right? Then some parameters from newsfeed algorithm. So you have to make sure that you follow the sorry, good content writing. So you follow the good writing. So why this is highlighted? It's the time when this was posted and when the person has replied 1 minute back. Okay. Quality or quantity. So you can see here posts. You to understand what works best, yes, and when, which is very important here. You have to see that the insights or the reports of the social media. Inside, so these all I have showed you on Facebook, like the page likes, post reach, and the level of engagements. Hi guys, can you hear me? Sorry, I got disconnected due to internet connectivity problem. Okay, great, great. Minu, are you there? Can you hear me? Okay, great. Sorry, let me just open. Yeah, it is already recorded. I'll just record this also. Yes, sure. I understand. Veenu, you have to go through it. So I'm just scrolling down, guys, where we left this. So insights, you have to look the insights, the engagement, that is the post clicks, the reach, the likes and comments you have got on a particular post, and whether it is organic or paid ones. So these are all that I have covered when we did the Facebook marketing, right? Average reach, average engagement of a particular both post types, age, gender, right? Through geography, different geographies, country, city, number of fans and languages, content, best practices, secrets to create great Facebook designs. Is this affiliate fully paid ads? See, no, it is not. Actually, you can promote affiliate, you can become the affiliate for different Facebook for different companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. There are number of sellers which are available for whom you can become the affiliate, right? And you can do any activity, whether you want to do the paid, want to run the paid ads, you can do that. If you want to do SEO, which is unpaid activity, you can do SEO of your website. On SEO, or like on your website, you can put their product link. And we know, I would request you to also before going through this video, please go through the video which was covered in July batch, June's batch. It will give you more clear idea about affiliate. Yes. Link I have already shared with you in my Excel. You will get in my Excel. Let me just share again with you. Just a second. Okay, it's not there right now. Now it's must be. Let me just. My internet is working a bit slow. Vinu, I'll share the direct link over an email with you. Let me just see if I can do it. Actually, my internet connection is over an email. Okay. For the next class, which is on Thursday now. I will class and the previous class, okay, through the today's class one, okay, with you. Okay, so guys, voice is breaking. Yes, I'm sorry due to connectivity problem. We'll do one thing now. We'll catch up today, guys. Now, please follow this link. This is the new link that I have generated for the Zoom meetings. Okay. Shivam and Vino, due to internet connectivity problem, yes, okay, I'll do that, Vino. I'm winding up the session and we will now connect on Thursday. And before that, I want Vino to go through the videos. Okay? Okay, guys, thank you. Bye for now and have a good night and take care. Bye, guys.